Hey again, peeps. I'm back with my second box of Top Shelf mystery box from Walmart. This was $10. You get 4 sealed packs and 1 mystery card, which will probably be a Beckett card. And so we have, let's do the mystery card first, boys. Oh, it's different from my other Beckett one. And the card's loose in there too. You can see it move. Connor McDavid on one side and the Great One on the other. Alright, let's go over the sealed packs now, guys. Series 1 Upper Deck 2016-17. O-Pee-Chee Platinum, and once again 2 scores. So as usual, we'll go through the crappy ones first. We'll do the score ones first. Alright, Danny Cleary, Chris Kelly, Marty Biron, Marcus Johansson, Steve Stamkos, a Luke Adam highlight card, and a Blake Geoffrion Gold Rush version. This is the gold variant for the score set. That'll go on the PC since it's a Montreal card. Oh, another Montreal card, boys. Oh, another Gold Rush Montreal card, too. That's pretty sweet. Tim Connolly. Roberto Luongo. Dustin Byfuglien. Stephane Robidas. Brent Burns. Oh, right, Jean Beliveau, the franchise. Montreal Canadiens card. And another gold variant Montreal Canadiens. Alexei Emelin. Back-to-back packs with Gold Rush variants. It's pretty good. Montreal Canadiens. So what should I do next? I'll let you guys vote. What's that? You guys want this one done first? Well, too bad. I'm doing this one. Oh, I can feel a security tag in there, boys. I told you, security tag. That means probably be a base pack. Chris Tierney, Bo Horvat, Sam Reinhart, Henrik Zetterberg, Tanner Pearson, Peter Holland, Toronto Maple Leafs, TJ Brody, and Cam Talbot, who was just traded last week, and I just got this card last night in last night's opening. If you guys watched, if any of you guys watched it. All right, 2014-15 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. David Pastrnak. Boston Bruins. Oh, another Roberto Luongo, but him in the Florida Panthers uniform. Alexander Khokhlachev. Oh, it's a rookie card though, guys. Rookie card. And last but not least, Jonathan Huberdeau. And just to recap, this is the I guess the hit, special insert. Comes into one touch, so it's alright. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.